So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left, press on home. So for example, if you're on the activity page right here, go to the bottom left, press on home, and then where it says buy, swap, send, and receive sort of in the middle, go to the far left, press on buy, and then press on buy again. Now what you're going to be doing here is selecting Ethereum, so you can just scroll down and press Ethereum right here. Or what you can actually do is select Ethereum right here, and there's a bunch of different ways you guys can purchase Ethereum, but we're just going to go ahead and just select Ethereum just like this. Now, once you're on this page right here, type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $70 worth, for example, you press on 70, and right below that, for me, it says debit or credit. If you want to buy Ethereum with Apple Pay, it's super simple. Press on the option right here, then select Apple Pay. Once that is done, go to the bottom and press continue. Type in the information to verify your identity. Once that is done, it'll bring you to the next page where you can then confirm and proceed with the transaction of buying Ethereum with Apple Pay. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Ethereum with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.